Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here at Winwood and I'll be filming for an 8-car trains here for you guys. I'll be doing the configuration like I did in 8 Hills, so it'll be the same thing. Although the 8-car trains will be passing here as this station cannot fit 8-car trains. So this station is an express station and we'll be filming some express and local trains here. Enjoy. And also just a quick note, because the V-sets are intercities, they will be passing this station as well. Even though it's in a 4-car configuration, they will still be passing the station as well. And also, trains will be not passing at max speed due to how quick they pass at 115 kilometers an hour, probably because this is Sydney, this is Australia. So yeah, we have the intercity V-set about to pass. It was traveling at about 60 in-game speed. The 8-car V-set is about to pass at 70 in-game speed. There's also an unexpected Oscar. As I said, that Oscar was an unexpected service that was not meant to come, but as I said in the last video, it came. Arriving at Wynwood, we have A41. Don't worry, the train will reverse back into the platform. A41 departing. The train's heading to home something. I'll find out the name before the next train comes. That 4-car A-set that just left was heading to Home Tree, stopping at all stations to Home Tree. The 8-car Waratah is now passing. Approaching us, we have a 4-car non-service Tangara. After this non-service train, we'll be seeing the actual 4-car Tangara. And as I said, that Tangara is non-service and will be heading to South Mead to operate its next service. Arriving, we have a T-Set. This train will overshoot by the looks of it, but don't worry because the train will reverse back into the station platform. I'm currently standing on platform 2 admiring this T-Set, but when it departs, I will be on platform 1. Java mixed up the controls, we'll head back up into the station again. Very clumsy driver. Departing, we have a 4-car T-Set. Home Tree service. Approaching us, we have a 4-car V-Set. This is an unexpected sight. Just deleted. The 8-car T-Set is now passing. We have an Oscar. This is another unexpected sight. This is the same driver from the V-Set that deleted. The train will be arriving and departing. This is not the train that we expected. After this 4-car Oscar, we will be seeing another 4-car Oscar. Arriving again, we have a 4-car Oscar. Four car Oscar departing. I feel like the Oscar has the Waratah sound. Another unexpected service just went through Wynwood. And for the last one of the video, we have an 8-car Oscar. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.